Hi dear students, the last class we discussed about the data representation. Okay, you know data representation chapter, it is what purpose you have to know, because the computer has a electronic, it's an electronic machine. See, it has so many wires, but that's why the computer knows 0 and 1. Okay, when you type anything, that automatically converted into in 0 and 1 form. Okay, how it will convert it, that you have to study in this chapter. Okay, see now today last class we discussed about there are two types of number system. One is a non-positional, second one is a positional number system. In positional number system there are four types of positional number system you have. See, in that first one we discuss about this first decimal number system. Decimal number system. Then in decimal number system, see, decimal number system means what? The system which consists of base 10, which consists of base 10. This type of number system is called a decimal number system. Example, for example, I am writing 489. 489, it is an example for decimal number system which consists of how many digits? It consists 10 digits. It consists of 10 digits. 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. It consists of 0 to 9 digits. Okay, this is what this is a decimal number system. It consists of 0 to 9 only. It consists of 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Example for this, for example, I am writing 702. It has a base 10. It kotre ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ, this is a decimal number. Why it is decimal number? It consists of the 0 to 9 digits. See, 0 to 9. Within 0 to 9 you have digits. That's why it is a decimal number system. Last class you discuss about this. Okay, see, always ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವ 10 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬೈನರಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 8 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ 16 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is a hexadecimal number system. Okay, this is you have to remember these four. Okay, there are in positional number system there are four types we have. Okay, in that first you have to study decimal number system. Already you studied this decimal number system which consists of 10 digits. Its base is always 10. What is base? In examination ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ what is base? Base ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು radix. Radix ಅಂತಾರೆ. What is radix? Radix or base? What is base or radix ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. The total number of system, the number, total number available in the number system. Total number available in the number system is called radix. See, this is radix. This is called base or radix. Okay, total number ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ that is a base ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Total number available in the number system. Okay, the total number will be available in the number system is called a radix. Okay, that is called radix ಅಂತಾರೆ. 1 marks question ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is radix or base ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that is a octal base. Okay, this is you have to remember, that is called a base. Last class you discuss about the how to solve the problem. How to solve the problem when they are given any one problem. For example, if they given 29 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, this is base is 10, you have to convert it into binary. Okay, you have to convert it into binary. Binary convert base to binary convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? See, just you have to 29 ನ 2 ಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 1s are, then 2 4s are 8, carry 1, then 2 7s are, carry 0, 2 2s 3s are, 2 3s are 6, carry 1, then 2 1 is a 1. See, its answer is for top, bottom to top you have to take the answer 1 1 1 0 1. This is what, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is what, this is a very easy problems. ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಫಾರ್ 2 marks. 2 marks ಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, this is what, this is how to convert decimal to binary. Decimal to binary ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, you have to know this. Okay, already in the last video we know about this. Okay, now how to convert decimal to octal. How to convert decimal to octal. Octal andre 8. Okay, see for example they have given you, okay, one problem they have given you 43. 43 it is in a decimal, you have to convert it into octal. Octal andre 8, base 8 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. 43 you have to convert, this is decimal, you have to convert it into octal. How to convert? Just 43 ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಬೈನರಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ you have to convert it to octal. octal ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you have to take 8, you have to divide it by 8. 8 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ 8 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ 8 5s are 40. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 53. ಓಕೆ, 53 this is the answer. Okay, this is the converted into octal. This is the answer. Okay, you have to remember this. For example, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. See, you have to convert 69. See, 69 you have to convert it into 69. You can convert it into octal. ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? octal. You have to convert it into octal. How to convert 69 into octal? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾ 69 ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 69 you have to divided by 8. divided by 8 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಸಿ 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 5 ಉಳಿತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 1s are 8. carry 0. This answer is, take from bottom 105. Answer is 105. This is what? This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer for 105 is the answer. Okay, this is take from bottom to top answer. Okay, nodri octal madidre, octal, in octal you have how many digits? You have 8 digits, that is 0 to 7. 0 to 7 number alli barutte answer. 0 to 7 number alli answer irutte. Okay, this is what how to convert decimal to octal. Inta simple problems kelta nimge. Okay, you have to remember this. Then the next one is ಇನ್ನೊಂದು problem ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. See, for example I am given 165. You have to, this is decimal, you have to convert it into octal. How to convert it into octal? octal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 165 ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, 8 divided by 8. see 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ see 8 2s are 16. okay, 8 2s are 16. then ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಳಿತು see 8 2s are 16 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then take here 5 ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 20s ಮಾಡಿ. 8 20s ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 160. 8 20s 160 means 5 ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. see that ಮತ್ತೆ 8 2s are 16. ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು? 16 ಅಂದರೆ carry 4. answer is 245. got it? like this you have to convert. okay, this is how to convert to octal. next, see I am just given a, for example 173. for example 359. this is in a decimal, converted into octal. how to convert it into, just divided by 8 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. see 359 divided by 8. okay, ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇದು? 8 4s are 32. okay, 38 4s are 32 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 32 means your 3 ಉಳಿತು, ಮತ್ತೆ 4s are 32 39 32 ಹೋದ್ರೆ just you are getting a 7. then 8 ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 5 uza means the answer is 547. The answer is 547. Okay, like this you have to do these problems. Okay, now convert decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. How to convert decimal to hexadecimal? Hexadecimal convert ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? See, just you have to remember. See, I want to convert. For example, we have 173. See, for example, 173 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ decimal converted to hexadecimal. What is hexadecimal number? Hexadecimal number always consists of base 16. Its digit has a 16 digit. It has from 0 to 9 digits. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A, 11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ B, 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ C, 13 ಅಂದ್ರೆ D, 14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ E, then 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ F. This is the numbers of a hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number, it consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D up to F digits na irutte idralli hexadecimal alli. Then now you want to convert it into 173. You want to convert it into hexadecimal. How to convert to hexadecimal? Nodri henge convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 173 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, then divided by 16 ಮಾಡು. Divided by 16 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ first 16 ones are 16. Okay, 16 ones are 16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. then ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 13 ಉಳಿತು. Okay, 13 means not ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. 16 tens are ಎಷ್ಟು? 16 tens are 160 ಹೋತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 13 ಉಳಿತು. 13 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 13 ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ 10 ಮತ್ತೆ 13 ಇದೆ. 10 13 ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? A means A. then 13 means ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 13 means D. This answer is AD. The answer is AD. Okay, like this is hexadecimal. You want to convert decimal to hexadecimal. convert ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is you have to divided by 16 ಮಾಡಿ. divided by 16. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, next. The next one is you have to convert 518. It is in decimal. You have to convert it into hexadecimal. How to convert into hexadecimal? 518. You convert into hexadecimal. Hexadecimal you convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See, first 16 4s ಬರುತ್ತಾ 5s ಬರುತ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, see 16 3s are 16 3s are ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 16 into 3 ಎಷ್ಟು? 18 48. 16 3s are 48 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 15 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 48 ಹೋತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3. 16 2s are 32 means you are getting a 6. then ಮತ್ತೆ 16 2s are 36. then the answer is 206. This is what this is a converted to hexadecimal. Why I am taking 2 means no problem. 206. Okay, but ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ 10 ಬಂತು 11 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ must and should you have to apply these A, B, C, D up to F. Okay, this is how to convert to decimal to hexadecimal. Convert a decimal to hexadecimal. ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, so please concentrate. Okay, now I am given, you have to practice. ಈ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ 1673 is in decimal. You have to convert it to binary. Sorry, just I am given here. ಓಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ 1673 it is in decimal you have to convert it into binary convert it into octal convert it into hexadecimal ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ you have to convert ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ 8 ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 16 ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ you have to divide it into like this okay 167 got it okay you have to divide like this it is decimal to hexadecimal 5 marks question 5 marks ಗೆ annual exams ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 times ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ you have to convert ಇದು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ okay you have to try it okay try ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ got it done okay this is the you have to try it okay this is how to convert decimal to binary decimal to octal decimal to hexadecimal okay ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು how to convert decimal to all numbers ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸೈನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಮೈ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು